Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to archive your Instagram posts all at once. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Instagram here, and I will tap on my profile icon at the very bottom right here, and you can see all of my posts. Now, of course, I can tap on individual posts, and then tap the three dots at the top right and hit the archive button. And that allows me to archive posts one by one. But there is a way to do this in bulk, so you can archive all of your posts at one time. To do that, let's go back to the profile page and tap the three lines at the top right here. And then what we'll do is we'll tap on your activity. The second option. From here, we'll tap Photos and Videos again, the second option, and then we'll tap on Post. From here, this shows all of your posts from newest to oldest. You can sort or filter this if you wanted to archive, say anything older than 1 year or 6 months or something like that. And at the top right, let's hit Select, and then we can just go through all of these and select a bunch of these posts. You can select all of them if you want to. And then at the very bottom left here, you can see Archive and in parentheses 20. So there are 20 posts that I've selected, and I can hit the Archive button and it will archive all of these posts at once. Of course, I can always go back in there and archive them if I wanted to bring them back to my profile so that anyone else can see them again. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.